why should a company consider a mid-tier, a mid-market ERP vendor like Priority Software instead of just going down the path of, say, a Microsoft or an Oracle or SAP, one of the household brand names? What does a mid-market ERP vendor like Priority Software provide that maybe a bigger provider can't?
The first thing we're trying to bring to the market is innovation. And because, it's kind of my bread and butter, first prospect said, okay, we're looking for something that will give us a solution that will be really easy we have like 300 employees that are doing sales orders, but ERP is complicated. It's very, it's a lot of screens and we have a big turnover of people over here. We want to give them something simple. And because Priority is a platform and has a lot of options, I said, okay, we have something called a portal generator. So let's use the portal generator instead of giving them standard ERP, give them this like slick user interface, like an e-commerce user interface that'll be really easy for them to use. And instead of educating them how to use an ERP system, this could be a great solution for this employees they have a high turnover over there. When looking at Priority, we have a very big toolbox, and the ability and the flexibility. This is a game changer, and this is, I think, what captures the customers to think, okay, they know how to give us a solution to our specific needs and specific problems.
So essentially, it's very easy to build and connect other things to Priority. And as Eyal mentioned, you can really do it by yourself, right? You don't necessarily need a third party or an integrator or something like that. And it just makes things so much faster. Really, truly treat you as a partner and not a customer, right? It's a slightly different mindset, I think.